It's 5 o'clock, and Alan is riding his motorcycle in San Francisco. When is Alan riding his motorcycle? It's 5 o'clock. Who is riding by motorcycle in San Francisco at 5 o'clock? Alan. Alan is riding his motorcycle in San Francisco at 5 o'clock. Is Alan riding his car? No, Alan is riding his motorcycle. Where is Alan riding his motorcycle? In San Francisco. Alan is riding his motorcycle in San Francisco. He is riding down Van Ness Street and comes to a stoplight. Who is riding down Van Ness Street? Alan. What is he riding on? He riding on a motorcycle. Is he riding down Market Street? No, he is riding down Van Ness Street. When is he riding down Van Ness Street? At 5 o'clock. Is he in a truck? No, he isn't. He is on motorcycle and he comes to a stoplight. Did Alan come to a stoplight? Yes, he did. He comes to a stoplight. Who come to stoplight? Alan. Was he on when he comes to a stoplight? He on motorcycle. Where is he stoplight? On Van Ness Street. Is he stoplight on Market Street or Van Ness Street? Of course. He stoplight on Van Ness Street. Is Van Ness Street in New York or Van Ness Street in San Francisco? Van Ness Street in San Francisco. A red Ferrari pulls up next to him. Do a red Ferrari pulls up behind him? No. A red Ferrari pulls up next to Alan. What pulls up next to Alan? A red Ferrari. Does Alan pull up next to Ferrari? No, Alan doesn't pull up next to Ferrari. A red Ferrari pulls up next to Alan. Where does a red Ferrari pulls up next to Alan? In a stoplight. Is Alan in a red Ferrari? He is on a motorcycle. What does a red Ferrari do? Is pulls up next to Alan. The driver's wearing dark sunglasses. Is Alan dark sunglasses? No, the driver wearing dark sunglasses. Who is wearing dark sunglasses? The drivers. The drivers looks over at Alan. Do the driver look behind Alan? No, the driver looks over at Alan. Who looks over at Alan? The drivers. Alan looks at the driver and realizes that the driver is Tom Cruise. Who the driver at Ferrari? Tom Cruise. Who looks over at Alan? Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise looks over at Alan. What's Tom Cruise wearing? Tom Cruise wearing sunglasses? Is Alan dark sunglasses? No, Alan isn't dark sunglasses. Tom Cruise wearing dark sunglasses. Tom sneers at Alan. Does Tom smile? No, Tom sneers. Is Tom friendly and nice? No, Tom sneers. Does Alan sneer at Tom Cruise? No, he doesn't. Tom Cruise sneers at Alan. After sneer, what does Tom say? He says, when the light turns green, let's race. Does Tom let's race? Yes. Alan says, all right, you're on. Does Alan agree to race? Yes. Alan agreed to race. Who says you're on? Alan. Alan says, all right, you're on. What does Alan agree to do? Alan agreed to race home. He says, you're on. Tom says, I'm gonna smoke you, sucker. That Tom says he wants beat Alan. Yes. He says, I'm gonna smoke you, sucker. Who is Tom gonna smoke? Alan. Tom gonna smoke you. Tom's gonna smoke Alan. Is Tom gonna smoke Alan a football sucker? No. Tom gonna smoke at Alan in a race. Alan says, you wish?